They warned her, never follow a stranger into the forest at night. But she didn't listen. One evening, a handsome man appeared from the shadows. Too perfect, too calm, too silent. He offered her beads, glowing gifts, and promises of a life beyond her dreams. And she followed him, deeper and deeper into the forest. But when they reached the sacred river, the moonlight exposed the truth. His feet were fading. His shadow was gone. And there was no heartbeat. Before her eyes, the man she loved transformed. His human form melting into a glowing spirit of the river. And the girl. She vanished that night, taken into the spirit world, never to be seen again. This is why elders say, never love a face you don't truly know.